Good day everyone, I am Christy Padilla and I will be discussing the first part of our topic, which is information for competitive advantage and data-driven quality. Now, let's talk about information for competitive advantage. So this means that companies use information and data para makagawa ng better decisions and para ma-improve ang kanilang business performance. So, sa panahon po ngayon, napakahalaga po ng information sa mga negosyo dahil nakakatulong to para maintindihan nila ang kanilang customers, operations, and ang kanilang competitors. So, in simple terms, information helps businesses know what is happening in their company and what they need to improve. Now, let's talk about the importance. Information is important because it helps companies identify problems and make better decisions kapag nag-a-analyze ang mga negosyo ng data. Mas napapabuti nila ang kanilang products, services, and overall performance. So, dahil dito, mas nagiging efficient ang kumpanya at mas nagiging competitive sila sa market. Next is a data-driven quality. A data-driven quality means that companies use actual data and information para ma-improve ang kanilang products or services. For example, maraming companies ang nagko-collect ng customer feedback through surveys or online reviews. Kapag maraming customer ang nagsasabing mabagal ang service, pwedeng gamitin ng company ang information na yon para ma-improve ang kanilang process. So, sa madaling salita, ginagamit ng companies ang data para mapabuti ang quality ng kanilang products at services. So, ayun lang naman sa part ko. Thank you for listening and God bless.
So, good day everyone. My name is Jesma Lazaro. So, I will now discuss the next part of our topic, which is data analytics in operation and performance metrics. So first, let's talk about data analytics in operation. Data analytics in operation means analyzing different kinds of business data in order to understand patterns, trends, and possible problems in the company's operation. So sa madaling salita, ito ay companies na nagko-collect at nag-i-study ng data so they can see what is happening in their businesses or kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa kanilang businesses at para makahanap sila ng ways to improve their processes. So now let's talk about the importance. Data analytics is important because it helps companies understand their operation better or para maintindihan nila yung operation. At kapag na-analyze ng companies ang kanilang data, mas madali nilang nakikita kung saan sila nagkakaroon ng mga problems at kung ano ang mga dapat nilang i-improve. So it also helps managers make better and more informed decisions that can improve efficiency and productivity. So for example, may isang retail store na nag-a-analyze ng kanilang sales data, customer feedback, at daily reports. So, napansin nila na may product din na hindi masyadong nabebenta at may mga negative feedback yung mga customer tungkol sa product na to. So, dahil dito, na-identify ng company na may mga problem sa quality ng product. Kaya nagde-decide sila na i-improve yung product at i-train yung kanilang mga staff para matulungan yung mga customers. Next is performance metrics. Performance metrics are measurements used to evaluate how well a company is performing. These metrics help businesses track their progress and determine if they are achieving their goals. So in simple terms, performance metrics help companies see if their strategy and operation are effective. So for example, may isang online shop na nagme-measure ng kanilang mga sales performance, delivery time, at customer satisfaction. So, napansin nila na mabagal ang delivery time at bumaba yung customer satisfaction nila. So, dahil dito, nagde-decide sila na mag-improve ng kanilang delivery process at mag-add ng mga more riders. So for that, name-measure nila na yung performance at nakita nila na mas bibilis na yung delivery at tataas na yung customer satisfaction.
Hello, good day everyone. I am Rina Lozado, and today I will be present about dashboard, KPIs, MIS, and the conclusion. So first, let's just start with dashboard. Dashboard are usually tools that shows the key information, metrics, and trends in one place. They help managers and teams monitor performance in real times. Dashboards are also important because they provide quick overview or performance, help in making informed decisions, and highlighting trends or issues immediately. KPIs or key performance indicators. Okay, so KPIs are measurable values that shows how effectively a business is achieving its goals. They can track progress towards objectives. KPIs are also important because they measures performance against target, guide decision making and strategy, and motivate teams and achieve goals. Now, management information or MIS. MIS refer to organized data and reports that supports managers in planning, controlling, decision making. They turn raw data into meaningful insights. MIRs are very important because they help monitor operations, support strategic decisions, and identify trends, risks, and also the opportunity.